What's up, everybody? Welcome back, members of the Vibe Tribe, Vibe Nation. I'm actually really digging that. Thank you to whoever was dropping comments and sending messages about using the Vibe Nation, Vibe Tribe phrase. I really dig that, so thank you so much. We are in for quite a wild week of weather. I'm already stuck to the TV watching the Weather Channel because California is bracing for its first winter storm of the year. There's already rain up in San Francisco. We got snow in the northern California mountains, and this storm is going to be making its way down the California coast. And unfortunately, it's a little bit of a surfer's worst nightmare scenario because this isn't ideal with wind. There's going to be a little bit of rain, not too bad. I'm thinking they had forecasted a good amount. I have been watching this weather event for the last 10 days closely. Let me get this camera set up on the desk real quick. So like I said, I've been watching this weather event for about 10 days now. Fingers crossed, waiting, hoping, praying that they would change the wind forecast. And unfortunately, that's not the case. Over the next 4 days, this morning might be the only window until we're past the vlog drop of clean surf. So we're gonna head down to the beach, check the conditions. I actually expected to wake up this morning to already pour wind out of a south direction, but there's still a little bit of east in the wind, which is keeping the surf really clean, so I do wanna get down there. But the gist of this storm is basically that, as you're looking at the graphics on the screen, the swell is going to peak Thursday morning, probably overnight, early morning, like in that 3 a.m. hour. We're also having an issue with the wind, as you can see as well. And that's probably gonna peak middle of the night, Wednesday night into Thursday, which is causing really short period wind swell during that time. So we'll probably try and go out maybe Wednesday afternoon, depending on how the weather looks, how windy it is. But I do wanna kind of document this whole weather event and see what it's like to try and score in a really jumbled, scrambled week. So don't want to waste any time. Like I said, I was not expecting the winds to have east in it this morning, so we're gonna pick this up at the beach. All right, so I got down here as quick as I could. That feeling when you wake up and you're like, oh my gosh, the wind is actually still kind of offshore. And you race down to the beach hoping that it hasn't clocked around to a little more onshore or side shore. We're still vibing out here. I'm not gonna waste any time. I already kind of have that weird feeling like this wind is gonna start switching soon. That storm is gonna be making its way into our area, and this might be the last chance for the next 4 days this week to get any type of clean surf. I'll keep watching these winds, but this might be the window, so we're getting out there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I absolutely love making these videos, and I'm stoked to get out there. You guys know the deal. I'll see you in the water in 3, 2, 1. storm has officially made its appearance in Southern California. Winds are absolutely howling. It's been about 2 full days now. We're about 48 hours since we surfed. A little bit longer than that. And we got sustained winds that have been going on for a while now. North of 20 miles an hour. Conditions are choppy, blown out. We had rain last night, this morning. And since that's the case, this has become an absolute surfer's worst nightmare. Leptospirosis is not a vibe. Google it. It's not what you want. But county health officials advising against ocean water contact despite some chunky sets out there, especially near harbors, river mouths, drain pipes, jetties, just due to elevated bacteria. Not a good idea to get out there. I checked a few spots before popping over here at Beacons by the house, and I have not seen one person out in the water today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the page. If you like these videos, I'd love it if you gave us a little thumbs up, drop a comment below. I absolutely love responding to all comments. I'm gonna set you guys free. It is windy. I don't even know if you guys can hear me at all, so you guys know the deal. Until next week, click right here to subscribe and right here to watch more videos. And I'll catch you guys on the next vibe.
Let it go, 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, girl you cold blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 게